So good day everyone and welcome to the channel. You're welcome. So if you're just joining us, kindly subscribe to our channel and keep the notification bell active to get notified when we drop new videos every Monday or new tutorials every Monday. So this is the fourth lesson on CSS Animation. So far we've done the first tutorial, second and the third, which you will see them on your screen now, and their link in the description so you can check them out and watch them to get updated and follow us through the tutorial. So today, the last class we talked about CSS animation, name and duration, and as well we created some little projects. You can check it out, the link in the description also. And today we're talking about the animation iteration count and animation delay. So let's get right into it. Thank you. So guys, what is iteration count? That is animation iteration count. So iteration means a simple repetition. So animation iteration count is the single repetition of a single line of code. That is repetition of the line of code. That means how many times the code should repeat itself. That is where we set there. So iteration count default value is 1. So the code runs just 1 on the computer. So we can set the value to 2 or infinity. That is continuous loop. That is like a loop, a JavaScript loop. So it can function as a loop also. So animation delay is the time before the animation takes place. That is the time before the animation takes place. So let's put them into our project and see what we have of it. So last class we already started the project and we've used animation name, which is this color change, and we've used the duration also, which is 3 seconds. So I'm going to reduce this 2 seconds, so it's going to be very fast. So we'll be adding the animation iteration count now. So iteration count. So in between them, we're gonna put an hyphen so that you recognize it. So an hyphen. This is to join them together. So iteration count. Let's set it to let's start with, let's say 3. So it will run 3 times. The code will run 3 times. That means the ball will change. The box will change to the div, to the ball rather, 3 times. That is the number of times it will repeat itself. That's 3 times. So we set the animation delay. So the animation delay, let's set it to 2 seconds. That means the animation will start immediately after the 2 seconds. So the time we set there is the time the animation is going to be delayed. So it's going to be delayed by 2 seconds. So after 2 seconds, the animation will kickstart. So let's open this on our website and see what we're going to have. So let's open this on our browser and see what we get. So on the web page now, so once I reload this on the web page, so it's gonna wait for just 2 seconds. Once it's loaded, 2 seconds, then it's gonna start. That is 1 and 2 and 3, and it's completed. So that is the addition count. So it runs 3 times and stops. That is, duration is 2 seconds per each animation. Then addition count is 3 times. That is to run 3 times. Then delay is 2 seconds before it starts. So let's change the values for the values. Let's set the values to something else and see what we have. So let's change the duration to 1 second, the count to infinite. So we can set the count to infinite. Then we set the delay, let's get rid of delay. So let's save this now and let's see what we have on our web page. So we have a continuous animation. Okay, okay. That is just what could be wrong with our code. So we have let's see. Okay, I missed the letter here, so we have infinite. So let's see, infinite. So let's read our code. So you can check your code well. So this continues indefinitely. That is infinite. So that is animation iteration count and delay. So I hope you enjoyed the class today, and we'll see you next week Monday when I'll be dropping the next tutorial. So like the video and subscribe to my channel, and ask your question in the comment box, and ask people to ask me anything. And you can connect with me on Facebook at Code with Willx, on Twitter at Code with Willx, and on Instagram also at umoswillx02. And thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you next week Monday. Bye.